All right, so we're down here at Finke, the end of day one of the race. Went pretty well. You know, after qualifying in the prologue, I qualified 8th. I was a little concerned that I might not have anything for these guys, but was able to you know, put my head down and push real hard today. At second, so pretty happy with that. You know, obviously I want to be first, but you know, I'm sitting pretty good right now. So you know, we're just getting the bike ready to go. You know, it worked awesome. Just some basic maintenance.
Okay, so end of day one at Australia's Finke Desert Race. Had a smooth day. Gas and go all day, no issues. Gonna change the air filter, and as you can see, there's no doubt why we chose K&N. You can see the red Aussie dirt. Nothing on the inside, nothing on the inside of the airbox. Pretty much identical to what we get in Baja too. Quality filter, no doubts about it. We are gonna change it with the new one, but that's just safety precaution. No point running a used one if you got a brand new one in the box. And day 2 is going to start off with another gas and go day.
The you know, Honda 700XX with all of the ruts and the whoops and everything, the IRS rear end worked amazing. You know, real happy with it. The Fox shocks, we've got the floats in the front, are working awesome. There's really big whoops out there. It's a gnarly course, and definitely it separates the men from the boys. All right, you guys, so make sure, stay tuned for the Bomb Squad Oz Invasion, brought to you by GBC. I'm gonna get a good night's sleep, get some food, and then I'll be hitting you guys up tomorrow and hopefully be sitting on the podium. You guys should be in store for a pretty wild time tomorrow. Out.